Welcome back to Smarty Pants History. Today we are going to learn about Victorian jobs. Weird, wild and wonderful. Would you clean chimneys or wake people up for work? Victorian jobs were very different from today. Chimney sweep. Chimney sweeps climbed up dark, dirty chimneys to clean out the soot. Many sweeps were young children because they were small enough to fit inside. It was a very hard and dangerous job. The knocker-upper. A knocker-upper woke people up for work. They used a long stick to tap on bedroom windows. This was before alarm clocks were invented. The lamplighter. Every evening, the lamplighter walked through the streets with a long pole. He lit all the gas lamps so people could see in the dark. In the morning, he came back to turn them off again. Crossing sweeper. Crossing sweepers were children who swept the dirty streets clean. They cleared away horse poo and mud so rich people could walk across without getting messy. They hoped for a penny as a thank you. The mudlark. Mudlarks were children who searched in the muddy River Thames. They looked for coins, nails, and bits of coal to sell. It was cold, smelly, and very dirty work. The rat catcher. Rat catchers caught rats in homes and streets. They used special dogs and traps to catch them. This job helped keep people safe from nasty diseases. The match girl. Match girls sold tiny wooden matches on cold streets. They worked very long hours for just a few pennies. Their fingers often got sore from the matches they carried all day. Factory worker. Children as young as 5 worked in noisy factories. They crawled under dangerous machines to fix broken threads. Factory workers had very long days with little time to play. Coal miner. Coal miners dug deep underground to find coal. They worked in dark tunnels with only a candle for light. Even children as young as 5 worked in the mines. The servant. Servants worked in big, fancy houses. They cleaned rooms, cooked food, and helped rich families. Some servants started working when they were only 10 years old. Newspaper seller. Victorian children sold newspapers on busy streets. They shouted, "Read all about it!" to get people to buy. It was hard work in rain, snow, and sunshine. The milkmaid. Milkmaids carried heavy buckets of fresh milk every day. They walked from farm to farm to deliver milk to people's homes. It was hard work, but very important. The shoe shiner. Shoe shiners made dirty boots sparkle. They sat on street corners with brushes and polish. Rich people paid them a penny to make their shoes shiny and clean. The ice seller. Ice sellers brought big blocks of ice to people's homes. They kept food cold before fridges were invented. They had to work fast before the ice melted away. Life was different. Victorian children worked very hard every day. They didn't have toys or TV like you do now, but they still found ways to have fun and be brave. Would you like to have been a child in Victorian times? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe this video. See you next time.